reviewing the Trendywigs wig in Lala. This is what it looks like. It's really long and it's got some nice light curls to it. So this was my first lace front wig that I've ever owned. I didn't really know what to expect, but I really like it. I've had a chance to wear it about 3 different times now. What I like about their wigs is the wig cap itself is pretty big, and so if you have a lot of hair like me, it can all fit under there and it's not super tight. I also really like that on the inside they've got these 3 different little clips here, or not clips, but they're like little combs. I don't know if you can see that, so that it can pull into your hair and hook on there so you don't have to use any bobby pins to get it to stay. It's also got the hooks on the inside that you can use that are adjustable, so if you do have a smaller head, you can adjust it to fit your head size. When I was looking at it online, like on their website, it's really hard to tell the actual color because most of the girls have like filters on their pictures. I also think that they have some product on the wig because it feels very silky and smooth. The hair's really long and I was a little concerned about tangling, but it's really great. I can just brush right through it and have no issues there. But I do think that there's some like, I don't know what it is, like leave-in conditioner or something that makes it a little shiny and feel a little bit oily almost. But if you wear it in like low light settings or natural light settings, it looks fine. So I'm gonna go ahead, put it on, show you what it looks like. With the lace front, what I've noticed with lace front is the lace on it is really thin. So it's supposed to be so you can like obviously see in and you see your scalp. But the caps that they send you, so they sent me a black one, which I don't know why you would ever wear a black one with a lace front. And then they also sent me this nude one as well. I tried the nude one on. It's got a hole in the top that I guess you're supposed to like twist and pin, but this part right here, the elastic, isn't super comfortable. So I'm actually just gonna use one of my wig caps that I already own. I do have a couple colors. I tried it with this color wig cap and it looked pretty funky because my skin looked like yellow. So make sure that you're using a nude wig cap. And like I said, I'm a total newbie when it comes to wigs, and there's like a billion wig tutorials on the internet, on YouTube, so you can watch those to learn more about how to wear a wig. But I usually just kind of twist my hair up on top of my head for just if I'm throwing a quick wig on. There's things that you can do with like pin curls to make it hold a little bit better. But the trick is you want to get it flat on your head so that you don't have any like weird, awkward bumps going on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Now, I have a pretty big head for the most part, but I'm gonna fasten it in just like a couple rungs here so that it will fit a little bit tighter and I don't have to worry about it falling off. Now, since the one downside that I will say for wearing this type of wig cap is since you don't have the holes in the wig cap, you can't fully utilize this little claw here because there's nothing for it to claw into. So I guess if you can find a wig cap that has the holes, that's a little more comfortable for you. And maybe this might be comfortable for some people, then that part will work. But I can still utilize these guys here. Now, I always see YouTubers like putting their wigs on backwards and flipping them upside down. I don't do that. But you also don't want to like pull on your wig either because that's not good for it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it how I'd like it. So that looks pretty good there. Now, I don't have this glued down by any means, obviously, but some of the stuff that you can use, spirit gum is obviously going to be the best thing to keep a wig like glued in place so it doesn't move. But I've also read that something like this got to be glued glue. It's just like a styling gel can work pretty well. You just put like a little bit there and then stick it on and blow dry it to get it to stay. I haven't done this yet, so to be determined there, but anyway, so another thing that I've read that you can do with wigs is for the part, some people will pluck some of the hairs out of the part to make it a little more realistic. I haven't done that just because I'm scared and I don't want to ruin it, but maybe I'll do that a little bit later. And so you can change the part, obviously. Some girls will do something like that where they don't have a part, whatever works for you. I'm still trying to figure it out, see what I like. I found that there's like a lot of volume on top, and for me, my hair is really thin, so I don't usually have that type of volume, so it looks weird. But you can just kind of work with it. Style that works well. I really like the half-up styles with this wig in particular because I feel like it makes it more realistic, and I really like showing off. I don't know if you can see, but I like showing off when it's glued down the side part here because it looks like it's actually hair coming out of your head. It was funny because I wore this wig to my company holiday party, and it was kind of like a low light setting. But obviously